Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna be going over why you should not have multiple TikTok accounts. Make sure you guys stick around for the end of the video because I'm gonna be sharing with you what you need to do to make sure that you don't get shadow banned if you have logged into multiple accounts on your one phone. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name's Robert Benjamin, and my mission is simple: to help you guys make more money online and grow a following on social media. The way to make money online and the way to grow a following on social media is constantly changing, so I'm here to keep you up to date. My job is not just to educate, but to also teach. I don't care if I have thousands of followers or millions of followers when you find this. If you leave a comment below, I promise I'll get back to you. So make sure you guys leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss another episode. So the reason this video came up is I keep seeing comments and I keep getting DMs from people that ask me if I have multiple accounts on TikTok to help engage with myself. The answer is simple. No, I definitely don't have multiple accounts that I engage with myself on. I thought about doing this in the beginning when I didn't have a lot of engagement, didn't have a lot of followers, and I'm really glad I didn't. Because if you guys read TikTok's terms and agreements, this is actually incredibly against their rules. Yes, you can sign into multiple accounts on one phone, but you cannot engage between those accounts. And if you do that, you're actually running the risk of one, getting shadow banned, and two, having TikTok just completely block you off the platform. I would really recommend that if you guys are doing this right now, you totally stop. And don't think you're tricking anybody. They know that you're doing it. They can see how many people are signing in under one phone, what IP address you're coming from, what device you're coming from. So if you're using a VPN or using some other nonsense, don't think that you guys are getting around them. They see what device it's coming from. Also guys, this isn't real growth. It's just nonsense. So I don't know why anybody would ever do this. You guys should focus on actually making quality content and actually making good content and providing people value, whether that be comedic or with information on TikTok, not conning your way to the top and thinking that you're gonna be able to just manipulate the algorithm into pushing your stuff out by having these 10 different accounts and you're running this huge charade where it's just a bunch of fake engagement. And honestly guys, like I just think that that's really short-term thinking and that's just plaguing TikTok, because why would you guys ever do that? You guys should want to be a real influencer and want to have real influence and provide people with real value, not just run some charade where you're typing in nonsense and fake engaging with your own profile to get it boosted on the For You page. Like, would you guys think that TikTok wouldn't know that you were doing that? So simply put guys, if you're doing this right now, stop doing this. Nobody ever got big on the app from doing that. Nobody ever got big on any app from manipulating it or manipulating the people on the app. Like, honestly, it's just a really bad idea. And like I said, I thought about doing this in the beginning also, and I am incredibly glad that I didn't. And to be totally honest, if this has happened to you and your engagement has dropped because of it, that's exactly why. And just so you guys know, the way that good creators actually grow, be it on any platform, be it TikTok, YouTube, any platform ever, is by consistently putting out content, providing value, and when their content doesn't provide value, they pivot and change it up and start to make new content or talk about a new topic, and it's just constant progression. And that's what being an influencer actually is. It's not just conning your way to the top. And like honestly, it sounds like making 10 different accounts and just engaging with yourself and keeping up this charade and making it look like it's 10 real people, like that's way more work than actually just putting out decent content and continuing to pivot that content a little bit so you continue to get really good engagement. Like instead of looking at TikTok as this thing that you can manipulate, you guys should be looking at this as the greatest opportunity ever, because you could get more organic reach than ever before on any platform. And this is seriously the biggest opportunity in today's day and age to become an influencer, to get your voice heard, anything like that. And if you guys are doing this, you're just missing out because you're trying to trick the best opportunity ever that doesn't need to be tricked. And in the end guys, if you are doing this, you're either going to end up getting shadow banned or just banned in general. So I would recommend that you guys stop right now. If you haven't seen a decrease in your views, that's good, that's great, just stop. I would recommend that you guys do the following to stop. Before I tell you guys what to do, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button and make sure you smash the subscribe button below also. And let me know in the comment section below if you've done this or not. So if you guys have done this, this is what you need to do. Step one, you need to log out of all the accounts except for your main account and just delete them, get them off the app. And then the second thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you just go on posting regularly, never log into those BS accounts ever again, and make sure you guys delete your cache. You'll be able to do this if you go into the settings, it'll pop up delete cache. You guys need to do that. Make sure you do that and log out of those accounts and never log into them ever again. And if you have already ruined your account by doing this, and like I said guys, this could totally ruin your account. If you guys keep doing this, it's going to decrease your views, it's going to get you shadow banned. If that has already happened to you, then honestly I recommend that you just delete your account. Odds are if you were running this huge engagement charade that probably don't have a lot of followers anyway, so I would recommend that you guys just delete that account, delete all the other accounts, and just start fresh and do it the right way. And I've met so many of you guys that have ruined accounts that actually had like a couple thousand followers, which is in reality guys a lot of followers. If you look at people's Instagrams, not that many people have over 1,000 followers on Instagram. So for you guys to get over 1,000 followers on TikTok is actually pretty good. And I met so many of you guys that have just totally ruined your account by running this charade. Stop doing that. And for those of you that are wondering, well, what if I have multiple real accounts? Well, then just make sure that you're not engaging with each other across them. The other thing I would recommend you guys do, I would recommend that you guys invest in another phone. Like personally, I have 3 different phones for different accounts and things like that, just to separate different businesses and stuff like that. But nevertheless, guys, I would recommend that you guys do that for your TikToks if you need to make sure that, you know, TikTok never mistakes it. Because that's the other thing too, is they could just mistake you for trying to manipulate things, where in reality, you're just running like 1 or 2 accounts legitimately. They could mistake that potentially. I would recommend that you guys get an extra phone if you could, or like I said, just never engage with the other accounts, because if they find this out, they are for sure going to shadow ban you or ban you. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Also, if you want to learn more about TikTok, I have a ton of videos on how to go viral on TikTok, how to grow on TikTok, the best time to post, best hashtags, how to make money, etc., etc. I'm going to link out to all of that in the description below. Make sure you guys go check it out.